Guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to enable the passcode lock on your box, the cloud app. Now if you want to enable the passcode lock on a cloud, the box app, or if you want to keep the password on the box cloud app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the box app on your device. And for those of you wondering what is a box app, box is a platform that enables files management, collaboration, and automated workflows internally and externally. Now to turn on the passcode on your box app, you just need to open the box app on your device and make sure that you have already logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, then you won't be able to turn on the password. So as you can see, this is the home page of the box app, and you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the very upper taskbar. Now to turn on the passcode, you just need to click on the profile icon at the very top left, and from here you'll see the various option of upgrade one when on mobile network, and if you scroll down you'll see the option of security, continuous captures, and all of it. So click on the option of security, and here you'll see the option of turn passcode on. So click on the option of turn passcode on, and here you need to create a passcode for your box app. So you just need to create a passcode which you remember, and you just need to re-enter it again to confirm it. So after doing all of it, you'll be able to turn on the passcode lock, and it will help you to protect your content from being seen when switching apps. So that's it. That's how you can turn on the passcode on your box app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.